Hello, good evening to all.
Good
How are
morning,
you
sir.
guys?
Good
Good.
morning, sir.
Sorry. Good. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you all? Doing good?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So today we are going to do what we were doing. We are going to start a new topic, which is called compound interest. So in the previous class or previous to previous class, we were doing simple interest, but now we will start a new topic called as compound interest. For the compound interest. Did you listen, guys? Say yes or no? Now, what is the meaning of compound interest? First, I will tell you the compound interest. Okay. See, listen, guys. For example, today David is not there. Okay. So, for example, uh, like David asked for 1,000 rupees. Okay, I said rate of 10%. Okay, rate of 10%, or you can say 10,000 rupees so that easy calculation can be done per annum. And he asked for 2 years. He asked for the time as 2 years. So I said I will now, like from the simple interest, we know we did it before also. But today I said, David, that David, you are asking for 10,000 rupees. That is no problem. Okay. The rate will be 10% per annum. But the time is also same, which is time is 2 years. Everything is same. But I said to David that I will use now compound interest and you have to pay me compounded annually. Compounded annually. Now, what does this? Now, everyone, please pay attention. This is an important time which I want to say. Compounded annually means after the completion of 1 year, because 2 years is there, no? So after the completion of 1 year, the interest, whatever the interest is formed, we will add that interest into the principal and then again we find it out the interest of that. So basically, compounded annually, if I will say, so after the completion of 1 year, interest will be formed. That interest will be added into the principal. Then again, we have to find it out the this. So how will you solve this? See, first, if I will calculate with a simple interest, no. So what is the formula for simple interest? Which is P into R into T upon 100. Now P is 10,000, R is 10%, and time is 2 years upon 100. This and this will cut. So if I will solve it, so it will become 2,000 rupees, and the total amount after 2 years will be 12,000 rupees. That is fine. Let me solve it with a simple interest. No problem in that. But now, what is the meaning of compounded annually? Means that here we have to make 2 years into two parts. T1, which is 1 year after the completion of 1 year, and T2, which is the completion of second year. So this is first year, and this is the second year. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of first year? Here, first we'll calculate the interest of first year, which is P into R into T upon 100. So I will be 10,000 into 10,000 into rate, which is 10
Abraham's
into
MacBook
1.
Pro.
Okay. So here, if I will solve this, I will get interest of 1,000 rupees.
You carry me.
I will Okay. So when I will calculate the interest of first year, then I will get the interest 1,000. Yes. Now, now what will be the principal? The principal will be 10,000. Like what will be the amount after first year? Amount after first year. So amount after first year will be 10,000, which is the principal plus 1,000. So it will become 11,000. It means that first year completion when I am solving compounded annually, it will be 11,000. Now, when the second year will be there, no, so we'll not take principal as 10,000 rupees. Will not take principal as 10,000 rupees, but will take principal as 11,000 rupees. Are you with me, guys? Did you understand? Huh? When I'm saying compounded annually, Agatha, Krishna, Miracle, Yashun, please pay attention. When I am saying compounded annually, it means that after the completion of first year, we will calculate the interest, we will add the interest to the principal, and now the new principal will be 11,000. So this is called as interest over interest. So we are calculating the interest and then adding it into a principal, and then again we are calculating the interest. That is the compound interest. Compound interest is basically called as interest over interest. So how will you calculate the total amount? So I is equals to, now in the second year what will be the principal? The principal will be not 10,000, but it will become 11,000. What will be the rate? The rate will be again 10%, and time is only 1 year. We are calculating the time will be 1 year. So now I is equals to P into R into T upon 100. I is equals to, what is P? 11,000. What is R? 10%. Time is 1 upon 100. So if I will solve this, I will get interest as 1100 for the second year, and the total amount will be principal plus interest. So principal was 11,000 plus interest was 1100. So if I will add it, I will get 12,100. So now what does this mean? Why I solve this? I am comparing this. If I will calculate simple interest, the amount is 12,000. Yes, same values are there. Same values, same everything. But I put a term compounded annually. Means we are calculating compounding interest, and I'm getting 12,100. Are you with me, guys? Hmm? Did you listen, Christiana? Here, compound interest means the 12,000 is the amount which we are getting from the simple interest, but compounded annually I put that term. And because of that, now the amount is 100 rupees more. Same values are there, same borrowing money, same rate of interest, same time. But 100 rupees extra I am paying when I said compounded annually. Did you understand, guys? Hmm? So what is the meaning of compound interest? That interest over it. Write it down, then we will understand more about the compound. Write it down. Quickly write it down. Yeah. Yes. I think your mic is not working. Say it again. can't hear you. I can read your lips, and the lips are saying no homework.
So,
Yeah, now I can.
hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
So, was there any homework for yesterday?
Say it again.
Was there any homework for yesterday?
Yes, there was a homework yesterday. I mean, Agatha or somebody put in the group, no, maths homework. Yesterday, no homework. Oh,
I don't remember you put in homework.
okay, nobody is there, no? So I have to put homework then. Today I will put extra homework for the yesterday. Thank you, David, for everything. How are you, friend? Okay, so did you understand this thing done with the writing? Shall we proceed? Okay, so we got that when it is compound interest, we have to pay extra. We have to pay extra money. With extra interest will be there because compound interest means interest over interest. Okay, repeat it with me with mute mic. Interest over interest. You have to pay extra money for the compound interest as compared to simple. Now, we have to understand there are three types of. Okay. Instead of that, I will now introduce the compound interest formula, and it's very easy to understand if you understand. Okay. So put a heading: formula for compound interest. Formula for compound interest. So in compound interest, we like simple interest formula was I is equals to P into R into T upon 100. No, I is the interest. In this, we are not calculating the interest, we are directly calculating the amount. How much the principal become. So the formula will be A is equals to P into 1 plus R upon 100 into X. Okay? Into here, A stands for amount. ठीक है P stands for principal, R stands for rate of interest, and T is the unique term which is called as number of times. Now I am making it very easy for you guys. Listen, listen. If I will say the time period is 1 year and compounded annually. Compounded annually means the interest will be after 1 year. So how many times we have to calculate interest? Only one time. Because when and the year complete, we have to calculate the interest. Did you understand? So in that case, NT will become 1. Okay. Now if I will calculate, if I will take this case, it was compounded annually. Okay. And how many years was there? 2. How many year was there? 2. So what will be the value of NT? What will be the value of NT? 2. How it become 2? Because we have to calculate the interest 2 times. One time and then 2 times. Did you understand? I will ask this question now from Christian. Christian, if it is compounded annually and time period is 3, so how many times you have to calculate the interest?
Sir, we have to calculate it 3 times.
3 times. So what is the value of NT then?
Sir? Sorry, I
What
didn't
is
catch.
the value of NT? What is the value of NT in that case?
So 3.
3. Perfect. Now I will ask Miracle. Miracle, if it is compounded semi-annual, Semi-annually means after 6 months. After 6 months, you have to calculate the interest. And the time period is 1 year. So what is the how many times you will calculate interest?
Um,
The time period is 1 year and it is compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually means after 6 months you have to calculate the interest. So in 1 year, how many times you will calculate interest?
six times, like,
No. Like listen carefully. January, February, March, April, May, June. Done. 6 months done. You will calculate interest. So one time done. Okay. And then July, August, September, November, December. Again 6 months done. Then again you have to you will calculate the interest. So in 1 year, how many times you calculate the interest?
two times.
2 times. The value of NT will be 2 times. Did you understand? Okay. I'll ask this question from Abraham. Abraham, if it is compounded semi-annually, okay, if it is compounded semi-annually and the time period is 1.5 year, so how many times you will calculate interest? You can put in fingers. I can't hear you. I mean, how many times? No, no one's. Say loudly. I guess you have to remove that noise cancellation. It is cancelling your voice.
Can you repeat?
Yeah, I'm saying that it's compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually means after 6 months you have to calculate the interest. And the time period is 1.5 year. 1.5 year. So how many times you will calculate interest?
Using this formula, I'll do do A is equal to P.
No, I'm asking how many times you will calculate interest. If it is semi-annually, if it
Three.
is compounded 3 times, perfect. How 3 times? Like in the first year, 2 times, and the third, which is a half year, so that will become 3 years. Correct. So in that case, what is the value of NT? The NT is same as like you are calculating 3 times. No? So the value of NT in that case will be. Did you understand? Okay. I
Yes.
will ask this. I will ask this question from Agatha. Agatha, if it is compounded quarterly, oh, now new word. If it is compounded quarterly means after 4 months, after 3 months. Quarterly means 3 months or 4 months.
4 months.
Huh?
It's 4 months, right? Like one quarter of a pizza.
Yeah, I mean 4 months. No? Yeah, 4 months. So if it is quarterly, so in 1 year, how many times you will calculate?
4 times.
Quarterly means completion after 3 months. Okay. So like January, February, March, one quarter. Okay. April, May, June, second quarter. Then July, August, September, third quarter, and the no January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So in 1 year, we will calculate 4 times. So what is the value of NT in that case? 4. Did you understand? Okay, I'll ask this question from Jeshron. Jeshron, if it is compounded quarterly for time period is 1.5 year, what is the value of NT?
6.
Right. Okay. Like in 1 year, it will be 4. And the second, which is a half. So first 3 months, 5. And the next 3 months. Did you understand? Miracle. If it is semi-quarterly and if it is for 6 months, so how many times you will calculate the interest? Miracle. Yeah, mute. If it is compounded semi-annually or compounded quarterly. Quarterly means after 3 months you have to charge the interest. Okay, and the time period is 6 months. The time period is 6 months. So how many times you will do?
Um,
Can you
Sir,
hear me, Miracle?
sir, could you please repeat the question?
Yeah, I'll repeat. I'll repeat the question. The question is, if it is compounded semi-annually, okay, and the time period is 6 months. 6 months. So how many times you will calculate the interest? Miracle, tell me, beta.
um,
Think. 6 months is there. Total time period is 6 months, and it is compounded quarterly. What is the meaning of compounded quarterly? Miracle, tell me. Compounded quarterly means. You know compounded quarterly means? No. Say loudly.
sir, can you tell me?
Compounded quarterly means after the completion of 3 months, you will you will apply the interest. You will apply the interest. Okay. So if I will say compounded quarterly means January, February, March, 3 months over, you will apply. Okay. And we have to, the time period is 6 months. In 6 months, how many times you will apply the interest?
2 times?
Two times. Simple as that. Two times is the answer. Got it? So basically here we have three types of compounded annually after the completion of 1 month, 1 year, compounded semi-annually after the completion of 6 months, and compounded semi-annually, which means that after the completion of 3 months. Did you understand, guys? Now, now we'll calculate this example. Like here, when I solve it, I got amount as 12,100. So I will use the compound interest formula to find it out that is this formula correct or not. Like for example, I solve it and I got answer as 12,100. So with this formula also I should get 12,100. With this formula also I should get same amount. So let's check. Let's check this. So what was the principal? The principal was 10,000 rupees. What was the rate? The rate was 10% per annum. And what was the time period? Time period was 2 years. So, miracle, it is compounded annually. Yes, the above question was compounded. So, how many times you will apply the interest?
Um,
Compounded annually, and the time period is 2. So, how many times you will apply the interest? Tell me. What is the meaning of compounded annually? Say.
uh,
कंपाउंडेड एनुअली का मतलब क्या है? क्या अगर एक साल हो जाएगा
Yeah, two times.
यस, कंपाउंडेड एनुअली का मतलब होता है अगर एक साल हो जाएगा तो आप इंटरेस्ट लगाओ। अब 2 साल के लिए है तो एक साल कंप्लीट हो गया तो आप लगाओगे, फिर एक और
Yeah.
साल कंप्लीट होगा तो 2 बार लगाओगे ना। तो दैट्स मीन कंपाउंडेड एनुअली। Compounded annually means after the completion of 1 year, you will apply the interest because the time period is 2. So the NT, in this case, what is the value of NT? The NT will become 2. Did you understand? So what is the meaning of NT? Number of times interest applied. Yes, Agatha, you're asking something.
So, sir, compound annually means 1 year, semi-annually means 3 months. So, how much annual actually means 6 months?
No, no. Compounded annually is 1 year. Compounded semi-annually is 6 months. And compounded quarterly is after 3 months. Got it, Agatha?
Um, can you again say it? I had some internet problem.
I'm saying compounded annually means 1 year. Compounded semi-annually, semi means half, is 6 months. And compounded quarterly means after 3 months. Got it? Now we'll check the formula. So the formula is amount is equals to principal into 1 plus r upon 100 into NT. This is the formula. So amount is 10,000, 1 plus r. The rate is 10% upon 100 into NT. The value of NT is 2. Did you understand? Miraculous, please pay attention. I just put the value. The principal was 10,000. The rate was 10%. The NT value we got as 2 because we are applying 2 times as the interest. Did you understand, Abraham? Christiana? David, everyone understood? Now we have to solve this. So how we will solve this? Amount will become 10,000 into, now this 0 and this 0 will cut. It will become 1 plus 1 upon 10 into 2. So amount will become 10,000 into, now here the denominator is 1. We have to make the denominator same. So we'll multiply 10 in denominator and 10 in up. So it's gonna become 10 plus 1 upon 10 into 2. Did you understand? Did you understand this step? Christiana, Abraham, David, Vidya, everyone? Hmm? Now, if I will solve this further, so I'll get the answer 11 upon 10 square. So amount will become 10,000 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 because the power is 2. So we can write it down 2 times in multiplication. This 0 and this 0 will cut, this 0 and this 0 will cut. So amount will be 100 into 11 into 11. So the amount will be 11 11 the 121. 11 11 the 121 and 20 will come. So with this formula also I got same answer as the previous one. Did you understand how to use the formula? Christiana, Abraham, David, say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Miraculin, did you understand?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood, Pakka?
Yes.
If you didn't understand, please ask me. Write it down quickly now. So this is the important topic that we are doing because the next coming chapter is installment buying. All of these is like that. So we should know how to apply the formula. Do you understand, guys? Okay, quickly write down. Which you had done.
Yeah, so when will you actually finish all of the science and maths for our course in October 1 for the October
Yeah,
batch?
my aim is to complete it before September 10th or September. So
Exams
you
will
have
be only, the exams will only
ex-
be in October, right?
in end of the October. You
End of
guys have 1.5, yeah, 1.5 months as a buffer. That is why you have to start the revision from now. Don't wait to complete the course, then we will start the revision. If you are appearing for October, you have to start from now. Okay? Done? Done with the writing? Shall we do some questions? Everyone? Agatha, Abraham, Miraculum, shall we do some questions now? Okay. Write it down one question I'm repeating. Write it down one question. The principle of the principal is 10,000. The principal amount is 10,000 at the rate of interest at the rate of interest 12% per annum. The principal is 10,000 at the rate of interest 12% per annum. 12% per annum. Compounded annually. Compounded annually for the time 3 years. For the time 3. I'm repeating the question. The principal is 10,000 for the rate 12% per annum, compounded annually for 3 years. Now, now, Miracle, will you help me to solve?
Yes.
Yes. So, first of all, you have to write what is given. What is given?
The principal is 10,000.
10,000 and
Rate of interest is 12%.
10%. 12, not 10.
12, 12.
Yes.
And the time period is 3 years.
Anything else?
Compounded annually.
Yes, you have to see that thing. And it is compounded. And so, first of all, when you write all these things, first calculate what will be the value of NT. So tell me the value of NT.
3 times.
Yeah. What does it mean? What does it mean? That you will 3 times you will calculate the interest.
Yeah.
This means that only.
Yeah.
So what is the formula for that? Amount is equals to
Amount is equals to P in the bracket 1 plus R by 100 NT.
the power. Can you put the value and solve it?
Yeah.
Yeah, quickly put and solve it. Abraham, did you understand? No. Say loudly. This all is muffled.
So
I
I'm
guess you have to say that much. You are on with it. You're saying like that, no? Okay, you are doing. Okay, do it. Do it. Christiana,
Yes, sir. I'm doing it, sir.
done? Did you
Uh,
understand?
yes, sir. I'm using the
David,
second method.
uh, which one?
The second method. We can use any
Yes,
method, right?
you guys always have to use this method only, means the formula method only. That was is for just for your understanding. That part is just for understanding. You don't have to solve. You don't have to use this. You always have to use this one problem.
Okay, sir. Sir, are
Yeah,
you
yeah.
having fun with the book?
One book is there.
Sir,
One
I
book
think it's
there.
for little kids.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it.
Yes, yeah.
Alright. Okay. So where were we? Yeah, you send me the answer. Who sent me the answer? Christina, Agatha, Agatha and David answers are totally different. Then I have to come up with that. Miracle, you got the answer?
Yeah, like I'm stuck in the last part. Yeah.
Okay. I have to make the denominator same. So what will I multiply? I will multiply with 100 up and 100 down. So it's gonna be look like 100 upon 100 plus 12 upon 100 and the power is 3. So amount will be 10,000 and it becomes 112 upon 100 and 3. So amount will be 10,000 into 112 into 112 into 112 upon 100 into 100 into 100. This 0 and this 0 will cut. This 0 and this 0 will cut. Okay, so you have to multiply 112 multiply by 112 multiply by 112 upon. Now don't cut it. Simply multiply this. So I have to use my brain. See, I have that talent of abacus. So 112 multiply by 112. is 12,544. Like that. 12,544. And then again 112. 12,544 into 112. It's gonna be around 14,490. So it will be around 14,000. So this is the power of abacus. It is 14,000. What was that? 490. 440. 14 lakh. 14 lakh 4,090. 14 lakh 4,000. 4,090. 928.
Sir, so how should
Sorry.
so how 14 lakh? Only 12%
If
is
you
no.
if you will no. 14 lakhs is there, but 100 is also there, no?
Oh,
So if 100 is there, then this 0 and this 8 will mix up. This 0 and this 2 will mix up. So I will get answer for 14,049.28 and it will become 14,000. Both are. Did you understand, guys?
It
Say
is
yes or no.
14. So, so don't you think it is 17,000? Are you sure it's 14,000?
Yes. Yeah, I am sure 14,049. So my bet is wrong. Say loudly.
can I check with the calculator?
Yeah, you can check. You can check. I said that my breakers are very good.
13,303.60.
How? You multiply 112 into 112 into 112, na?
Yes, and wait, I multiplied 112 into 112. And then I like there's 112 upon 100 here. So I took 12544 into 112. And then I
Hmm.
did.
No, your calculator is wrong. My breakers is wrong.
So I use the calculator actually. So it's for the class.
Show me 112 into 112 into 112. Show me. Show me now.
112 into 112 into 112 is equal to 1530368.
Huh?
So the calculator says it, sir.
David, you've written 122 at the last.
No.
Come on, David. Come on. You are challenging my abacus, huh? You're saying that, sir, your abacus is wrong. Huh? Now,
So
I am a very
112 times
talented
112
person.
is, so sir, 112 times 112 is 12,444, right?
No,
No.
no, not at all. You guys have to join Rebecca ma'am class for level B and level C. I'll tell Rebecca ma'am to. Rebecca ma'am will join. Na? So 12 o'clock, you guys maths will start, and you guys will join the math directly. Okay. So now I'll put the homework. I'll put the homework. You guys do it at home. So you guys have 2 minutes break. Come back in 2 minutes. We'll start the science. So in this, guys, in the third question, I wrote 2 years also and 5 years also. So you have to calculate both. 2 years one also and 5 years one. Okay, this is the one. A little. Okay, come back in 2 minutes quickly. Start the same.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, guys, come back. We'll start the class. So yesterday we did the refractive index, and I hope you guys got a little thing about the refractive index. The hint was that if they ask any refractive index, that speed of light will come in the denominator. Simple like that. Did you understand? Yes or no? Now write one question. Write one question. The speed of light in water. Could you write down the question and turn on the camera, everyone? David, Abraham, Vidya, Joshua. Write down the question with me. The speed of light, the speed of light in water, the speed of light in water is 2.4 into 10 to the power 8. I'm repeating the question again. The speed of light in water is 2.4 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And the speed of light in glass, the speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second.
Sir, can you repeat from the beginning itself?
Okay. So the speed of light in water is 2.4 meter per second, 10 to the power 8 meter per second. 2.4 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And the speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Calculate, calculate the refractive index of glass
Sir,
with respect to, yeah,
the speed of light of water 2.4
into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and speed of light in glass is
2 into 10 to the power 8.
2 into 10 to the power 8.
Yeah. Calculate the calculate the refractive index. Calculate the refractive index of glass with respect to air of glass with respect to air and and refractive index of water and refractive index of water with respect to glass and refractive index of water with respect to glass. Now, first part, me and David will do. You guys will do on your copy. You guys don't get disturbed. So me and David will do the first part, and second part, me and Joshua will do. Okay. So David, can you unmute your mic? What is the first part saying? So first we will write all the things. You guys do, okay? Don't wait for us. Yes, David. Hello, David.
Yes, sir.
Can you say?
Another
So
question.
first, no. First, you have to tell me what is given in the question so that we can write it down in the answer.
Okay. The speed of lighting of water in water is
So speed
2.1
of light in water is mentioned,
2.1
which is
10 raised to power 8 meter per second.
2.4 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The
Uh,
second question is refractive index of water with respect to glass. The second part is refractive index of water with respect to glass. Okay. Now, second thing is mentioned.
speed of light in glass is 2 into
Yes,
10 raised to power
speed of light in glass.
glass.
It is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Now, what what asked in your question? Refractive index of, tell me, David.
There is a formula for it.
Yes, like what they asked. What is the first part? Calculate
Refractive
the
refractive index of glass with respect to air.
with respect to n. So, so what formula you will make out of this? So they are telling you the first part to calculate the refractive index of glass. So which speed will come in the denominator? Glass or water?
Uh,
So
Yes, let me complete it, then I will continue.
the
Yes,
question
David.
itself, I don't like. There is a problem.
glass.
Yes,
That's
say it again.
yeah. So the question is, first calculate the R RI of glass with respect to air.
Water,
Isn't it
with
supposed
respect
to
to water.
water?
With respect to water, sir.
Yeah.
With
Okay.
respect to water. Yeah. Yes, David. Say.
Uh, glass will be the denominator.
Yeah, glass will. So what I told you yesterday also. If you are calculating the refractive index of glass, that speed will come in the denominator. Simple as that. So what formula you will make? So in the numerator, what it will come? Speed of light in water, and in the denominator, what it will come?
Speed of light in glass.
Speed of light in glass. So what is the speed of light in water?
Uh,
2.14 into 10 to the power 8. Upon what is the speed of light in glass? 2 into 10 to the power 8. 10 to the power 8 and 10 to the power 8 will cut. 2 ones are, and then it become 1.2. So what is the answer then? 1.2. This is the refractive index of glass. You got this? David? Now next part. Joshua. What is the second part, Joshua? Joshua, can you hear me?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Yeah. Ten. What was the second question?
Can you hear me, sir?
Refractive. Yes, yes, I can. Calculate the.
Speed of light in glass.
No, no. First, what question was there? The question was refractive index
Of glass with respect to air.
no, no. We did this. Glass with respect to water, we did this. Now, your question was refractive index of water with respect to glass.
Okay, sir.
Okay, with respect to glass. Now, can you tell me the formula for that? What formula you will make?
Not sure. 1 minute, sir.
Mhm. So, which refractive index they are asking? They are asking for the water.
Yeah, speed of light in glass upon speed of light in water.
Yes, yes, yes. Joshua, which refractive index they are asking?
I think so. They're asking about the refractive of water.
Index water. Yes, correct. So you got it. They're asking refractive index of water. So it means that the speed of light in water will come in numerator or denominator?
Denominator.
Denominator. So what will come in the numerator then? The speed of light in. Tell me. If
1 minute,
if
sir.
speed, yeah, if speed of light in glass will come in the sorry, speed of light in water will come in denominator. So which speed is left? Speed of light in
In the numerator, sir, it's the speed of light, sir.
speed of light in where? In glass. You got this? No.
I sort of got it, sir.
Mhm. So basically, what was the concept behind that is if they are asking for the water, that speed of light in water will come in the denominator, and with respect to wala part will come in the numerator. So speed of refractive index of water means speed of light in water will come in the denominator, and with respect to glass is there, that speed of light in glass will come in the numerator part. You got it now?
So I got it, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the speed of light in glass? Quickly tell me.
What is the speed of light in
Glass. It's 2 into speed of light in glass is.
Sir, I'll tell.
Yes, tell me. 2 into.
It's 2 into 10, sir. 2 into 10 to 8.
2 into 10 to the power 8. Perfect. And what is the speed of light in water?
In water, sir,
Hmm.
it's 2 and 25 into the power 8, 10 to the power 8.
Yeah. 2.4 into 10 to the power 8. Correct. Now, this 10 to the power 8 and this 10 to the power 8 will cut. Now, if I will remove the point, then 10 will come in the numerator. So, it's going to be look like this. 20 upon 24. Got it? They both are divisible by the table of 4. It will become 5 and this will become 6. So if I will solve this, okay, I will get answer as 0.8333. Nice. So 0.834.
Okay,
This
sir.
is the answer. You got it now?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm not really good at solving questions like this, but then if you give me a question and certain amount of time, so I can solve it.
Okay, no problem, no problem. You take your time, but main thing is you should understand. If you didn't understand, ask me, and if you understood, then well and good. Got it? Everyone,
Yeah.
Miraculin, you got it, beta?
Yeah, like
Yeah,
how 0.834 came?
yeah, that's my question too.
Like if you will divide 5 and 6, what will you get? Like I'll put 6 outside, 5 inside. Now 6 is not divisible by 5. I will put point. Then automatically 0 will come. Then 6 8s are 48. So 48 will come. Then 2 will come in the remainder. Then 0 will automatically will come. 6 3s are 18. Then again 2 will come. Then again 0 will there. So it's gonna be like this. So the 3 3 3 part will always go. So instead of 3 3, I just wrote 3 4. This is how the division is done.
But there's a rule like you can only change it to 4 if the next number is bigger than 5, right?
It's okay. You can write 3 4 also. No problem.
So 0.833 or 0.834 anyways okay, right?
Yeah. Anyway, yeah. Got it? Shall I give one more question?
So
Yes, Nidhi. Hmm.
in this 0.834 and 0.83, like 3 will be non-stop, right?
They both are equal. They both are equal. No problem.
Okay.
Okay.
So I have a doubt.
Please, please.
Like when we are finding the refraction index of glass with respect of water over
Hmm.
there, why didn't we remove the decimal point over there? Like we can also remove the decimal point over there too, right?
But we can. Like here also, if you want, you can remove the point, then 10 will come, it will become 12. Okay, if it will become 12. Now this 0 and this 2 will mix up, and the 1 will go and it will become point. It will become 1.2. Did you understand? So here I got 1.2. If I will simply do the table of 6. Okay. Now guys, listen. This in this case, can you tell me the light is coming from where to where?
Which case?
If in this case, refractive index of glass with respect to water. I told this thing in my first day class that if they're asking for the refractive index of glass, it means that the light is right now in the glass coming from water. Are you with me? Hmm? If I will say
Yes.
refractive index of water with respect to glass, it means that light right now it is in the glass coming from water. So it means that here, if I will make a diagram, so the above part was water and this part is glass. Light is coming from the glass and it is now going towards the light is coming from water and it is going into the glass. So it means that in this case, the light is coming from rarer medium to the denser medium. Did you understand? Guys, did you understand? And the refractive
Yes,
index I
sir.
got as 1.2. So from this we can conclude two things. Now please pay attention, this is important thing. We can conclude two things. The two things are if refractive index value is more than if refractive index value is more than 1, means for example 1.2, 1.3, 2.4, like this, then in this case light will always travel. We will make some points. The points are: light will travel from rarer medium. Light will travel from rarer medium to denser medium. And as the light is now entering in the denser medium, so it means that speed of light will decrease. Speed of light will decrease. It means that speed of light will decrease. Okay. The third part is light will bend towards the north. So these are the three things that is the observational, that if refractive index is more than 1, then light will travel from rarer medium to denser medium like this. The speed of light will decrease because the light is now in the denser medium, and the light will bend towards the normal. Did you understand? And if the refractive index if if the refractive index is less than 1, for example 0.9, 0.8, 0.7, and so on. In this case, we got three observations: that light is coming from denser to rarer, denser to rarer, first thing. Second thing is speed of light will increase because the light is in the rarer medium. And the third one is light bends away from the number. Okay. So this 6 observation is made when we have the refractive index value. It is more than 1. This 3. If it is less than 1. Did you understand, guys? Christiana?
So whenever we have questions like this, we have to write this also.
Yeah, we have to wrap it like this. Yes, Joshua, you were saying something, beta.
So can you give us a question on the board for like this first song?
I mean, this is just observation. Okay, we don't have to make sure that like this will happen. The question can come in your MCQ. The refractive index of glass is 2.4. Okay, so they can tell you that if the speed of light is in the glass is increases as compared to air, decreases as compared to air, none of this or both can happen. So the answer is decreases because the speed is coming from air to glass and the speed decreases. So like this they can give, not too short. Now I will give one question. Write it down. If the refractive index of diamond is 2, if the refractive index of diamond is 2 and speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8, and if the
So
refractive in uh,
if the um if the if
refractive
the
index of diamond is 2,
two into the that is not that
sorry,
2 into the 10 to the power
no, there is a refractive index. This is the refractive index, Ri.
like the answer. Okay, okay.
Yeah. If the refractive index of a diamond is 2 and the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8, 3 into 10 to the power 8, then calculate the speed of light, then but look, listen. Then calculate the speed of light in diamond. Then calculate the speed of light in diamond. Okay, we'll understand this question. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. The question is that we have here. Please pay attention. You guys will not able to do it. Please pay attention on the board. Okay? Can you hear me? Am I audible? Okay. Quickly, I will solve this. Now, refractive index of diamond is given, which is 2. Okay, and another thing is given, speed of light in air, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So here I will put refractive index of diamond with respect to air is, okay, and the speed of light in diamond we have to calculate. Okay. Now, if I will take this thing and write it down here, that refractive index of diamond. Okay. So, what formula you will make, Miracle? If I will say refractive index of diamond with respect to air, so what formula you can make, beta?
Um, like the
Hmm.
speed of speed
Speed
of
of light.
yeah speed of light.
Yeah, speed of light of what? Air will come in the numerator or diamond will come in the numerator?
Um,
Like it's the refractive index of diamond
yeah, diamond will come in the
in the
denominator.
correct. So the numerator will have, of course, air.
Yeah.
You got the formula? Now
Yes.
you can put the values. The refractive index of diamond is 2, so I will put here as 2. Is equals to speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8. And the speed of light in diamond, I will take it as like this one. Now this will go that side. So it will become 2 into speed of light in diamond is equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8, and this 2 will become in the denominator, so it will become speed of light in diamond is equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon 2, and 3 upon 2 is 1.5, so 1.5 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second will be the speed of light in. Now who didn't get this? Tell me quickly. Could you tell me who didn't understand? Yes.
So I understood until like you put the values, but
Hmm.
after that nothing
This is division.
changes.
This is division. It will go that side. It will multiply like this.
Yes.
Now 2 is in multiply. It will go that side. It will divide like this.
So what is SOL?
SOL, speed of light. Speed
Okay.
of light short form. SOL. Now
Okay.
3 by 2 is 1.5. I put 1.5 and the rest is.
So
Tell me.
3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 2. So
Yeah.
2 is
And
the
what is?
RI of diamond.
Yeah. And 3 by 2 is? What is 3
So
by 2?
1.2, 1.5.
What? So I wrote 1.5 and that's 10 to the power 8.
So there's nothing to like delete the 10
No.
10 to the power 8.
No.
So
10 to the power 8 is separate. I will put it separate.
okay.
Everyone got this? Say yes or no? Agatha, Abraham, Bithia, David, Franklin, Joshua, Christiana.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow we'll do some questions and then we'll start the length topic. Okay? So I hope you have enjoyed the class. Then bye. Have a nice day. Signing off, Shabakir. Sayonara. We'll meet tomorrow at 10.
Bye, sir. Thank you. Bye,
I
sir.
Thank you.
uh,
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Hello all, good morning.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.